to show you this photo album that I made for someone. And I made it using this You and Me paper pad by Jenny Ellison. And it is by Echo Park also. So what I did was I took a sticker that says Best Yet to Come. I took a cut apart and I had a die, over die, cut this part out, and then I also cut the inside of this cut apart, and I put this on pop dots, and I set this inside here, and then I took some, it's like, not sequins, but like clear bubbles, but a pink version of them. I inked the edges also. Then on this page here, I took what was left of this die cut of here, I put it here, and then I took a sticker. I was mimicking the front, and I did on this side. And you have like a little flap here. And then I had some sequins, and I put a sticker that says love. Then on this side here, you have like a little tiny pocket and a tag that says love you. I also inked these pages, and I put a little sticker that says sweet, and I used some more of these bubbles, but this time this is the clear version of them. On this page, I put like a border sticker here, and then I put a little sticker banner that says 10 things I love about you, and then I put a joining card here. I cut around the edges of it, and then it says you have my heart. On this side here, it was like a way long better, but what I did was cut it in 3 parts, and I took a play on the crazy part and put it at an angle, and so it it'll be like, yeah, it really is crazy. Then you have a little tag here that says love you. Notice the love, it says love, and a little pocket that says I love you. Then I put some sequins in the hearts. On this page here, you have like a little flap here, something like that. And it says, I could spend forever with you. And I'll use some more of these clear sequins, and I'll put a sticker, love. On this page here, I just took a piece of the paper and cut it down and put it sideways where it says I love you. And I put a clear bubble in the love where it says O part, and I put one here and I put one here. And then I put some pink ones up in here and X's and O's. And this is a tag that I cut. And it says I meant one. So that's that side. And then back here you have a sticker and it says all of my love. And I put some pink sequins. That's that side. Then this way you have, I took some stickers and come down the sides, 2 different versions. And then I'll put a cutie sticker, and then I'll put a joining card that says I choose you, and I choose you over and over without pause, without a doubt, and a heartbeat. I keep on choosing you always. I didn't put nothing. I didn't put like sequins enough on the side. I think I would happen to probably forgot to do it. On this one, I kept it simple. It says the greatest love story ever told, kiss sticker, and then I put one of those clear bubbles in the middle. So like, you know how they reach in and this like the kiss and the bubble together. This one, another simple page. I just put this love, and I put a sequin in the love part. On this page, I took all you need is love, and I took a typewriter, and I set where it says I love you, and I put some sequins, and we're back to the end again. So I really enjoyed I really enjoyed making this. I hope you enjoy looking at this book for the album. And I mean, it was really good size, and it's about this size, about this long. So, about this, I used about 3 pages. It was double-sided, so I was able to get a 12 by 12. So I think I used 3 pages, different pages, and it's flipping around. So thank you for stopping by. See ya.